Good morning, everybody. Larry Capetto here, gardening with Larry. It's a beautiful day. Good to have you with me today. I got bees flying around because I got my sunflower back here. This is the potted sunflower that you've been seeing that inspired me to do some potted plants this year. So this guy is just beautiful. Got pollen coming out. I got to watch that though. Start to sneeze. But I'm at it again today. It's Sunday. It's this second to the last day of June. It's the 29th. And I'm gonna plant some more sunflowers today. Yes, I am. I got some new potted pots there. I'm gonna put some more sunflowers in there. I'm gonna do it again. So this is round 2. So hopefully you can join me as I continue my incredible journey here. Okay. I'm going to move some of these pots around. You can see these are smaller. So I don't know how large the sunflower will grow in these. It'll be kind of fun just to see. No particular order, just out there. Get my potting mix there. I got that Miracle Grow bag. Hope this will be enough. If not, we'll get some more. Little shovel here. Okay. Okay. Won't take long to fill up those small ones. Fill these up. Good. That's good. Okay, we're doing good. Okay, I think I'm gonna get the little pots together and then just fill them all up one by one with this hand shovel. There's one. Here's 2. I think I got enough potting, so I think I'm gonna be okay here. This will be 3. Okay. Get 4 and 5. This is good. Good soil again, folks. Good soil. Our last one. I think I'm hooked on this gardening this year, buying these pots and seeing what we're gonna grow. It's gonna be different. these back over here. Again, like I said, there's no order to this. I'm just gonna probably move them around. Okay, now I'm gonna top everything off here. I think these little ones are good. I think they're topped off. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Got my new shovels here. Right on. What do you think? Think that's enough? I think I want a little bit more, so we can have a good root system going here. Okay. I think that's about good. All right. All right. I think we'll give everybody just a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. I think that's fine. I think we're good there. Good there. I think we're good there. I think we're good here. I think we're good everywhere. I think we got it. Okay, it's getting hot. I think it's time to plant some seeds. What do you think? Maybe a little bit more soil in this guy here. Because I got plenty of it. I have plenty. Okay. I think we're topped off, man. I think we're topped off. Now it's time to get our seeds again. I've got some in here. Pull our seeds out of this sunflower head that I harvested last year. We'll get a few more seeds in here, and we'll get to planting again. I think some seeds fell into my pots last time when I was doing this, and I've got 3 or 4 growing in a couple of these. Got the neighbor getting their lawnmower going there. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're good. I'll get these seeds planted. Hopefully they'll all grow with love. I'll just put them a little bit under the surface, not too far. Cover them up. I only had one that didn't grow last time, but who knows why. But they don't. I don't think they need a lot of depth there once they start sprouting and going. So there's 3 of our 10 already planted. Okay, this will be number 4. These big old seeds. They're good seeds. Good seeds, yes. And our other flowers are already growing. What a blessing. There's 4. Here's 5. Get a nice big one there. Okay, I don't want to go too deep. Okay, there's 5. Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh boy. Did we do that one over there? I don't think so. Well, if we do, there's going to be 2. This will be 6. This little guy here, I don't know how big those are going to grow. It's going to be fun to see. There's 7. These seeds are going to sprout up to life. God's put seed-bearing fruits, seed-bearing seeds. And it's just amazing how that seed produces a big sunflower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be number 8. There you go, little guy. Grow with love. 8. Are you enjoying this, people? My audience out there? Nice and relaxing videos. This is 9. And then we'll do 10. This will be number 10. There we go. And that's the way it works. Voila. Okay, folks, there we have it. Success. 10 more potted plants in my garden. Wow, that's amazing. What a blessing. So I'm gonna have 20 hopefully, and who knows, maybe I'll get more. But that's it for now. We're gonna water this here in a couple of minutes, and hope I didn't miss one. If I did, maybe I have to go back and look at the video, but hope I didn't miss one. I see a lot of ants down there, but hopefully they're not gonna bother my potted plant. So there's an aerial view of what I'm doing. How high can we get here? We can get pretty high. So there's an aerial view of what I'm doing. Okay, folks, that's it for now. And soon I'll have 20 plants like this. You see all the little bees flying around? A little nerve-wracking. Okay. It's time for another 360. What do you think? Okay, I'm back. So sunshine, we've got the soil. What's missing? Water. Let's get to watering these new seeds that are gonna grow big like this guy someday really soon. So I'm just gonna water the new guys first, and then we'll water the other plants. But let's get a little bit of water on here. Just a little bit of water. Just a little trickle there. Start getting that soil mixed in. I think I can reach them all from here. This is exciting. I just love this. It's in my blood. I didn't know I was a gardener at heart. It's so fun, so rewarding to watch these seeds grow and how God put the life in these seeds and how they reproduce and the different stages of growth. It just totally blows my mind. Okay. Grow with love. Our first watering here. Let's go around one more time. Seeds are going to be in 4 days. I can't believe it. Those last pots, 4 days I started seeing growth. That's pretty amazing. So these little funnels, self-watering. Fill these up. And then you got water. You got water from beneath and on top. These are pretty small pots, so doesn't take much to fill them up. It's just my second to the smallest pots. I got 4 sizes of pots out here. Boy, I think I filled that one up pretty quick. So the roots will be really nourished watering like this. I think that's 5. Here's number 6. Finishing up with these guys, filling them up. Got them all filled up. And that'll do it. Okay, so here's a shot of my garden now with the 10 extra pots. Okay, this is one of my first 10 that's growing. I've got these 3 that are just really going for it. I planted these probably almost 2 weeks ago, and these have grown wild. Look at these guys. Okay, and then I've got my, from the first planting. Now this guy didn't grow, so we're replanting him. And then this guy's looking good. And this potted flower is coming right along. Look at this. Isn't this just great? I love this. And this is one of the first plantings. Look at the double leaves coming out now. That's what they do. The first 2 leaves come out, then the second 2, and it just starts building a tower up into the heavens. And there's another one of my big potted plants. I've got my others over here on the side now. Look at these guys. They're looking good. Look at the double leaves coming out. See that? And then we got this guy. And this is the one that's got now, what, 4 in this pot? Look at this. I didn't mean that to happen, but it's okay. We'll accept them. And then there was a double one over here too. I passed by it, but there's the other one over here. So I'm going to go back to these guys. Look at how big they're getting. These might be my Sunny sunflowers, 8-9 feet tall flowers. This is where Sunny grew. In the existing garden, we got to show them too. The 10 plants that are growing that I planted. It's kind of bright out here, so can't see really good in my viewfinder, but giving you a shot of these plants. And this one's probably the little weakest of them all. Gotta pray for that guy. And here's the big wild one that grew, or that's growing, present tense. And this guy is one of my biggest ones that I planted. Doing good. And then his guy over here. And then we got him over here. I'm giving this individualized attention this year. This was the smallest plant I had. Look at him grow now. Look at him grow. I just love these guys. Yes, I do. This guy is so big. See the different stages of growth of the leaves as you watch these sunflowers grow. These have grown wild, and these are going to be big and tall too. Look at these. I water them every day faithfully. They're going to grow big and tall. Folks, we're going to end right now. I'll end with a watering shot of my whole garden as I give it all water. And I appreciate you joining me. I hope you enjoy these videos wherever you're at, across the country or the world. I think this is just very therapeutic. It's a blessing to be able to come to you like this and share a little bit of my world here. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Send this video to somebody. And we'll keep this garden growing as we continue into July. I can't believe it's almost July. So, God bless you. I'll see you on my next broadcast.